Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 5th Subject Mathematics.
To our 14th online class for 5th standard mathematics chapter 4 Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Here you find any Roman numbers. We already know about what is Roman numbers. Here you find any other Roman numbers? Yes. Here you see 14th. We write it is in Roman numerals. And we always represent our class standard in Roman numbers. We always represent in Roman numbers. Next here you see what is here chapter 4. 4 is in Roman numerals. Today we are going to see about Roman numerals and how we can change in the Hindu Arabic and Hindu Arabic can be changed in the Roman numerals. Now this is our chart. Roman numerals, Hindu Arabic numerals. Hindu Arabic numerals means we know that just here numbers, okay, ordinary numbers. Roman numerals means it is in the form of alphabets, okay. First of all, we have, when we thorough in this chart, we can write a Roman numerals without any mistakes, and also a few rules are there. First of all, we have to see the chart. For 1, we have to represent with I symbol, I. 5 means we have to put V. 10 means X. 50 L. 100 C. 500 D. 1000 means M. This is the main chart. We have to memorize this chart, and afterwards we are going to see about the rules for Roman numerals. Rule number 1. When a letter is used more than once, we add its value each time to get the number. This is the first rule, ma. When a letter is used more than once, we add its value. For example, you have, first of all, you have 1. 1 means you just put 1, isn't it? Next, you have to write 2. Here you see the I is repeated more than once. Here one I, here another I. So you have 2. In this case, we have to add this number. You have 1 I. I means what is this? 1 plus another I. What is this? 1. So 1 plus 1, we mention it as 2. So for 2, the Roman number is here. Next one, what you want to write? 3. Do you know that you are clear in this matter? And I have to recall you. Here you have 3i. 1, 2, 3. You have to 3i. So what you want to do? You have to add this I. I mentioned 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. So when a letter is used more than once, we have to add each time to get the number. Next, give me some more examples. You know well that it is what? 10, isn't it? For example, you put 2 times, what is this? 10 plus 10, which gives 20. If you write 2 times the x is repeated 2 times, more than 1 time, you have to add the value of x. X means, we know that x means 10. So, double x here, so 10 plus 10, 20. Another time, x. What is this value? 10, 20, 30. Here, 10 plus 10 plus 10, we get how much? 30. This is our first rule. Remember that the first rule, when a letter is used more than 1 time, we add its value. What value would have? Here I possess 1. X have 10. So add its value each time to get the number. We have another example also. What is that? We know that C. C means 100. Okay. Double C, if you put double C, what is the value? 100 plus 100, 200. Next, triple C. Triple C means we have to mention it is as 300. Listen, 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 100, 300. One more note, the same symbols cannot be repeated more than 3 times together. Here, I repeated only 3 times. 1 time. Here I repeated 2 times. Here I repeated 3 times. Isn't it? Here also x 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. We cannot represent the 40 as x 40. This one is wrong, because in this Roman numerals we cannot repeat the letters more than 3 times. We can represent the letters only 3 times together. Beyond the togethers, we cannot repeat the letters. This is wrong. We cannot write like this. Up to 10, 20, 30 is correct. This model is correct. We cannot represent 40 as like this. We have to move on to the next rule. Okay. And also one more important note. That is, what is this, ma? This is what? 5. Isn't it? What is this? L means what? 50. And one more letter, D. D means what, ma? 500. So these type of letters cannot be repeated. In Roman numeral, we can write V as one time only, we cannot write, we cannot repeat the letters. What the letters we cannot repeat it? V, L, D. All are the values of 5. Listen, V for 5, L is 50 and D is 500. We cannot repeat the letters again and again. V, L, D. We cannot repeat it. Important note, please remember this. In the first rule we have, what is the first rule? We can add the letters which is appear more than once, and the second note is we can write the letters up to 3 times only. We can, beyond the 3 times we cannot write like this. This is wrong one. We can represent the letters only for, repeat the letters together for only 3 times, and V, L, D are not repeated in this rule. Rule number 2, when a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of larger value, add the 2 values. What is this given here? This time we see the rule 2 and rule 3 at the same time. What is the rule 2, ma'am? The symbol of smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of larger value, add the 2 values. What is given here? For example, now we write, what is this, ma'am? This is 5, symbol for 5. Okay. If I write I means it's a smaller symbol, you know. This is V, V is a symbol for 5. I is the symbol for 1. Isn't it? So when the smaller symbols of smaller value is written to the right side of larger value. This is the right side and this is the left side. This is the Roman numeral. For this Roman numeral, this is right side and this is left side. If the smaller value is in the right side, we have to add these 2 values. Okay. Once again remind you, this is the symbol for 5. For this 5, this is the left side and this is the right side. When smaller value is written in the right side of the symbol, we have to add the symbol. What is the value for V? Symbol of 5 is V. So for V we have the values what? 5 plus what the value for I? 1. So which gives 6. We already know that, and we write the 6th standard as this in the Roman numeral like this only, you know. Then rule number 3. What is the rule number 3? We have the 5. This is what, ma? Is the symbol of 5. Okay. So in numerals, we represent 5 as like this, V. For 5, this is the left side and this is the right side. Is it clear? When this I appear in the right side, we have to add this 2 numbers. Isn't it? We get 6. When I is appear in the left side, when I means smaller value. This is 5, ma. This is 1. Isn't it? So when I is appear in the left side of the larger value, we have to subtract. How you have to subtract? You subtract I from V. That is smaller value from larger value. 5 is the larger value. So you put 5 first and I is a smaller value. For I you have 1. 1, isn't it? So you have to subtract 5 minus 1, 4. So we write 4 like this. Isn't it? 4th standard அப்படிங்கறதை இப்படி தானமா போடுவீங்க. 6th அப்படிங்கறதை இப்படி தான பாத்துர்க்கீங்க. சோ எப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஒரு லார்ஜர் வேல்யூ இருக்கு, அந்த லார்ஜர் வேல்யூக்கு ரைட் சைடுல ஸ்மாலர் வேல்யூ வந்துச்சு அப்படினா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? அந்த ரெண்டு வேல்யூஸையும் ஆட் பண்ணி போடணும். எப்போ ஒரு லார்ஜர் வேல்யூக்கு லெஃப்ட் சைடில் உங்களுக்கு ஸ்மாலர் வேல்யூ வந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும்? அந்த லார்ஜர் வேல்யூவில் இருந்து ஸ்மாலர் வேல்யூவை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். அதனால தான் 4 நம்ம இப்படி எழுதுறோம், 6ங்கிறத நம்ம இப்படி எழுதுறோம். இது ரெண்டுக்குமான டிஃபரன்ஸ் இது மட்டும்தான். சரியா? Let us see another example. We already know that. What is it, ma? This sum is over A problem. Okay, B1. You all know that. What is this? This is the symbol for 10. Okay, X. This is your left side and this is your right side. Here also you will put like this. Tell me, if 1 appear in the right side, what you have to do? I appear in the right side. You have to add this 2 number. This is the 10. X represent 10. I represent what? 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. Have you remember this? This is a rule number 3. When I appear in the left side, you have to subtract. From what you have to subtract? You subtract I from X. What is the value of X? 10. 10 minus 1, we got how much, ma? 9. So this is the rule number 3 and this is the rule number 2. Is it clear? Next one. C problem. Look at this. What you have to do? Tell me. L like this I have to put here.